Hi, welcome to VuDrive tutorial. My name is Lee Rabin. I'm leading business development at Django. Today, we're going to talk about how to configure custom working hours for your fleet. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate to VuDrive.net. After entering your credentials, the first thing you're going to see is the live map. We're going to go to Fleet Management and then click Fleets. Then choose the fleet you want to configure and click View. We're going to go to the Working Hours tab and we're clicking on Add New. In this screen, you can define the working hours for each day. So for example, if on Saturday our whole fleet is not supposed to be working, we're going to click Custom and then select Not Working. And I'm going to do the same for Friday as well. And just to make it interesting, I'm going to set up a different end time for Thursday. Then all you have to do is click Save. So now we have the working hours for our fleet all set up. Any vehicle that will be active outside these working hours will prompt a notification.